Almonds and walnuts are powerhouses of nutrition that can transform your health. Almonds, for instance, are packed with monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol, promoting heart health. They're also rich in vitamin E, which not only protects your brain from cognitive decline, but also enhances your skin's elasticity and glow. Plus, their high fiber and protein content make them a fantastic ally for weight management. On the other hand, walnuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, supporting a healthy heart. Their unique polyunsaturated fats are linked to better memory and cognitive function. Walnuts also boast impressive anti-inflammatory properties and promote healthy gut bacteria, aiding digestion and boosting immunity. And let's not forget, compounds like ellagic acid in walnuts may even lower cancer risk. Incorporating these nutrient-dense nuts into your diet is a delicious way to enhance your overall wellness.